For 80 or 3 box plant running about 10,000 sheets a day. Is one machine enough? Here's the typical order mix. Over 70% are narrow width jobs, and only 10–20% are wide width. Buying a separate machine just for that 20%? Not cost effective. That's where the 1WD-Miz250 comes in. One digital printer, 2 operating modes. Mode 1, Singlepass high-speed print, designed for the 70% plus corrugated narrow orders. Fast, efficient, continuous, non-stop production for 10,000 sheets a day. One machine handles it easily. Switch modes with one touch. From Singlepass to Multipass printing mode. Mode 2, Multipass mode, handles wide format printing. Max 2,500 mm, covering the remaining 10%–20% of orders. Flexible width, high precision. With 1WD-Miz250, you cover over 90% of 80 or 3 Plant S order portfolio. No extra investment, just one machine. That's all you need.